Let's talk about the CleaDeep P1 IQV range hood, a total game changer for anyone who loves to cook at home. With its sleek stainless steel and tempered glass design, it's more than just a kitchen appliance. It's a modern upgrade that adds style and function to your space. With powerful airflow, up to 13 meters per second, it instantly pulls in smoke and steam, keeping your kitchen air clean and fresh. No more lingering smells or smoky haze drifting into the rest of your home. And thanks to its smart glass panels and top curtain, every wisp of smoke is locked in and pulled directly into the exhaust before it has a chance to escape. What really sets the CleaDeep P1 apart is the IQV airflow technology. It creates 3 types of airflow to tackle oil and smoke with precision, unlike traditional hoods where high ICFM numbers can be misleading. The P1 captures smoke at the source, even when you're moving around the kitchen. That means no more greasy clothes or that post-cooking smell hanging around. Also, there's no greasy filter to scrub. Here, you just wipe down the smooth exterior with a damp cloth. There is a hidden oil cup that slides right out from underneath, and then you can quickly rinse it with detergent to keep it spotless. This is easy and very low maintenance. The built-in PM 2.5 sensor gives you real-time air quality right on display. Let me show you by blowing a vape and watch the numbers spike. Then, turn the hood on and watch it clear out in seconds.